Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can monitor any orders and positions you may currently have, as well as monitor your relevant account information. Now, as you can see here, we are currently working on the Orders and Positions tab. This is at the bottom of our platform here. Now, this is one of the default workspaces that is available on QST. You'll notice that you can easily swap back and forth between your different tabs here. The two most notable for the ones we'll be focusing on this video are the orders and positions and order activity log. And then you'll also notice there's the account information tab in the bottom right as well. So if you do have some current orders or positions currently in the market, as you can see here, hovering over our orders and positions widget, we do have all of our available orders currently held in the market, and we do get an entire breakdown of exactly what's going on. So as you can see here, we did place an order for the ESU19, the E-mini S&P 500 contract for September. You can see we bought it, and once it did filled, we are now net long with one quantity. As you can see, this is the contract. And then here, it'll show you your price, the last tick, what type of session it was part of. And then over here, if we expand, as you can see, we even have P&L. Now, if you do have some type of order duration, it'll show you your order duration down here over on the good till date section. Again, if we expand some of these other fields, we have things such as lifetimes. If you did place a limit order, there's a section for that. We have order times, the open and close, your strike price, and your call and puts if you're doing options. So now not everything is filled out for me because this is a paper trading account. This isn't actually a live account. So you may see things a bit differently, especially when it comes to order numbers and account numbers, things like that. And things such as order time and the sessions. Again, this is all electronic and paper trading, so again, it may be a little bit different here. Now, one big feature that is pretty important is things such as profit and loss and your net profit and loss. Again, I did show you that if you do scroll over to the far right, it is listed here. You'll also notice that within this window, you do have 4 sections available on the bottom here. These sections are the futures profit and loss, options profit and loss, total buys and sells, and net profits and loss. So at any time, you can just take a quick glance down here. You can even click at it, as you can see here. I clicked on those futures profits and losses. So for any futures positions that I may have, as you can see, they'll be reflected in this available section. You can do the same thing for net profit and loss if you just double click on that. This will be any positions you may have, not just futures. So again, you can take a look at that here. If you want to filter specific positions, you can click on the filtered section and you can filter as needed. Now, continuing on here, if you would like to take a glance at all of your order activity you have made in the past, whether it be for paper trading or live trading, they'll all be under the order activity log, which can be found by clicking on the tab down there at the bottom. As you can see, we are currently highlighted or hovering over paper trading. So any paper trading orders that we have placed will show in our activity log here. You have the option to click the little eye to the left of it, which will bring up more information about it. You can expand these fields here to get a bit more information as well. And then you can see which accounts it was entered by on the far right. And then the most important thing of this section is the messages here. Just gives you a breakdown of every single thing that has transpired with your trade and the corresponding date and time it happened with as well. If you want to show live trading, simply just click on the live trading tab and it'll show you the exact same thing. Paper trading, you just click on the paper trading one. Now, as far as account information goes, anything account related besides the orders and positions and the order activity log, I would suggest heading over to account information. As you can see, you have margin balances. We can have start of day balances, long options, securities, short option values, your current account balance, total account equity, purchasing power, net liquidation value. There's a ton of different options within this available window. So for those of you that are looking for your account information without either going to your FSTAN portal or whatever the case may be, you can view all that available information in one convenient section here. Now, just to show you if for whatever reason these default tabs aren't automatically activated at the bottom here, or you accidentally close them out or whatever the case may be, at any time you can either come to the far left-hand side of the window here. As you can see, this is a little toolbar that allows you to scroll through all of the available windows or widgets. Apex or QST calls them frames, as you can see here. But again, you can scroll through these. So if you see one you need, so for example, account information, if there isn't one already on your platform, which as you can see, we did have one enabled, it will automatically forward you over to this page. And then again, if you don't have one, it'll automatically place that frame on your platform for you. Same thing, we can continue to scroll down, order activity log. We'll take a click on that. As you can see, we didn't have one open. We closed it out before. So, or because it wasn't already in this page here or this tab, it automatically opened one for us. We can continue to scroll down. We look for the thing we need, orders and positions monitor. You left click, and as you can see, now it opened up an order position monitor in our tab we have currently open. One other way to do so is just by simply coming in the top left-hand corner here. You'll see there is a create new frame button. This is like a little square with a plus. If you click on this, you have the option of, first of all, naming it and customizing a bit more. So if you've seen our other video on how to manage workspaces, you'll have an idea of what these do. Just real quick, an internal frame is one that is put directly into the tab that you currently have open. Persistent is a frame that works across all your different tabs and it remains consistent. And then an external is one that opens out of the platform and you can use it in its own separate window. Anyway, as for opening up the same frames here, again, pretty much the same functionality as that toolbar on the left, except this time you're just scrolling through this window here. When you find the frame that you need, you'll just click on that, decide how you want the window to be handled, and then click OK. And as you can see, it'll open up that window. If you do have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below or on our community forum. Again, if you are just getting into QST or the Apex platform and you need some more information, please check out our video playlist. We have quite a few different videos already covering some of the basic topics, so feel free to refer to those for some additional knowledge. Again, we cover how to manage workspaces, how to use the platform on multiple monitors, how to open charts, just essentially any feature, we're going to cover it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future QST content. And once again, we thank you for watching.